Hi, I'm Sierra Redmond, and today you're watching Unique Vacation Spaces. We're staying at the Canopy Hilton in Tempe, Arizona, and I'll be showing you around a premium room and the property. For more videos like these, make sure you click down below, subscribe, like this video, and watch for more of our Tempe adventures. Let's get started. So this is our first time staying at a Canopy property. If you check my description box below, you'll see that we stayed at a ton of Hilton properties before, but the Canopy, this is our first time, and it's quickly one of my favorite. What makes the Canopy property so unique is that they have a local and an urban flair, which means that a lot of the time they're in the middle of the city. Also, they try to pull from local influences. For example, this Hilton Canopy downstairs has a restaurant, and the chef is a local chef. He cooks with local ingredients. And also around the property, you'll see some pretty cool art pieces that showcases local artists. There's tons of influence from Arizona, from Tempe, from Phoenix, all around this property, and it will be your favorite thing to see. It's kind of like going to an art gallery, but right at your hotel. There's plenty of art here. I mentioned that already, but I'm sitting at the pool area and they have a gorgeous mural for their upstairs pool rooftop bar that I'll be showing you in a second. But another thing that I think that you'll really enjoy about the Canopy Tempe is the fact that they have a ton of outdoor spaces. Whether you're at the pool or the outdoor upstairs rooftop bar or downstairs, there's tons of places for you to sit and for you to gather and to enjoy. They have some of the coolest chairs I've ever seen, including some egg swing chairs, which you can find all around the property. There are two by the rooftop pool, and then there are two downstairs in the lobby for you to enjoy. Another cool thing about Canopy is that they have some of the coolest amenities of any of the hotels. Canopy offers free bike services. So there'll be bikes and scooters in the entrance of the hotel for you to use to explore the city for absolutely free. However, they're on a first come, first serve basis. So make sure that you grab one early in the morning, or just if there's not a lot of people at your hotel, no one's fighting you for it. So just make sure you grab a bike and explore the city in a way that you have never imagined. They're absolutely free, they're clean, and a lock is included with your bike rental. For that reason, Canopy is one of the best places to stay if you're looking to do a social distancing vacation, because you get your stay here and you also get some free transportation that allows you to bike and be outside and outdoors and safe. So I would check out Canopy Hilton next time you're thinking about going on a vacation. So if you're staying at the Canopy Hilton during COVID, there's a couple of things you need to know. First, Hilton has enacted the Clean Stay Initiative, which means that your room will be cleaned and spotless and then sealed after housekeeping is done, to make sure that no one re-enters your room until you do. Secondly, when you're checking in, you can do keyless check-in, and you can go ahead and check in on your phone so that you won't have to contact anyone when you come to the hotel, which is a great option and what we chose to do when we checked into the hotel. So you just go on your Hilton Honors app. Hopefully you have one and you're collecting points, but you just go on the Hilton Honors app and you sign in right there, and then use that key to get in your room on your phone. Number 3, masks are essential. You have to wear masks inside of all properties at all times. So when you're in the hallway, by the pool but not in the pool, anytime you're not eating, and anytime you're walking through the lobby of the hotel, always make sure that you have your mask. right guys, we're back where we started, and this is the end of the video. Like I said at the beginning, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you click that notification bell so that you know anytime that I upload videos about our unique vacation spaces or Hilton hotels. Just go ahead, click that stuff below. Check out the description box so I can include the blog post for this stay so you get all the detailed information that you may have missed in this video. And that's it. See you guys later.